You've heard it a million times, right? Blogging is dead. Between Reels and Shorts and now AI, who even has time to sit down and read a blog anymore? Well, what if I told you that everyone believing that is the single biggest opportunity you could ever ask for? Because 2026 is, without a doubt, the perfect time to start a blog, and we're about to break down exactly why.
Okay, let's just cackle this head on. This idea that blogging is a relic of the past, it's everywhere. But what if all that noise, what if everyone being so convinced of that is actually your secret weapon?
Think about it like this. It's like the stock market dipping hard. When everyone else is panicking, selling off everything they own, the really smart investors, they're quietly buying. They see a massive discount, knowing that things will eventually bounce back. And that, right there, is the exact moment we're in with blogging.
And this number, this just says it all. Because everyone's shouting from the rooftops that blogging is over, the competition has just, well, it's fallen off a cliff. We're talking a 70 to 80% drop in the number of people who are even trying. The playing field is more open than it's been in years. So this isn't a dead end at all. It's a massive head start. The people who really get it, who are playing the long game, they're still in it. They're quietly building their digital empires while everyone else is distracted by the next shiny object. This is your chance to get in and establish yourself before the crowd comes rushing back. All right, let's talk about the first big supposed blog killer, social media. The argument is that short-form video has made writing obsolete, but honestly, that completely misses the point of why people use different parts of the internet.
Look, it all boils down to intent. It's super simple. You go on social media to be entertained, to kind of zone out and kill some time. But you go to Google and you land on a blog when you have a problem that you need to solve. One is for distraction, the other is for answers.
I mean, just think about your own life. If your car starts making a weird noise, or you need to figure out how to fix something on your computer, are you scrolling through dance videos for the answer? No way. You are typing a question into a search bar, looking for a detailed guide. As long as people have problems, blogs that offer real solutions will always be essential.
Okay, on to the next big challenger, artificial intelligence. The thinking here is, well, if a robot can write an article in 5 seconds, why would anyone need a human blogger? And again, this view is missing the most important piece of the entire puzzle.
You see, it comes down to this one crucial difference. An AI can write content. It can string words together based on data it scraped from the internet. But only a human can provide experience. An AI can't tell you how it actually felt to launch a business, or the subtle lessons it learned failing 3 times before it succeeded.
And guess what? Google knows this. Search engines are getting smarter and smarter every day at spotting generic, soulless content. They are actively looking for and rewarding content that shows real, first-hand expertise, a real human touch. Your personal stories, your unique screw-ups and successes. That is the one thing AI can never, ever copy.
So, we've established that blogging isn't dead, not by a long shot. But here is where we need to make a really big mental shift. We have to stop seeing a blog as just a diary or a hobby. In 2026, a blog is a serious, powerful business asset.
Now, let's be totally fair. The people who shout blogging is dead, they're not completely wrong. The old way of blogging, yeah, that's dead. The model where you just pump out a bunch of articles and hope you make a few bucks from some ugly banner ads, that's over. It's a terrible business model. The new way to think about it is this. Your blog is your own personal digital property. It's your piece of internet real estate. See, you don't own your social media profile. An algorithm can change overnight and tank your reach, or your account can get shut down for no reason. But your blog? That's an asset that you own and control 100%. It's your home base.
And this is where it gets really exciting. Because with that home base, your ability to make money goes way beyond a few ads. You can use it for affiliate marketing, recommending products you actually use and love. You can create and sell your own digital products, like courses or ebooks. You can promote your own services. You can even land amazing brand deals. Your blog becomes the hub for a real, diversified business.
So this all leads us to a final, really important choice that you have to make. And it's not just about what kind of content you want to create. It's about what kind of future you want to build.
This slide just sums it all up perfectly. You're choosing which game you want to play. Are you chasing quick virality, a flash in the pan? Or are you playing the long game, focused on building real, lasting authority in your space? They are 2 very different paths.
And that's really the bottom line, isn't it?
A viral reel is exciting for a day, maybe a week, but then it's gone, forgotten. But a truly helpful, well-crafted blog post? That's an asset. It can bring in traffic, build your reputation, and earn you money for years and years to come. It's an investment.
So as we wrap this up, it really all comes down to this one simple question. Are you chasing temporary attention, or are you building an asset that will last? The noise out there says blogging is dead, but the quiet opportunity to build real, long-term value has never, ever been better. So the only question left is, which game do you want to play?